Welcome to AH Tutorials, where we show you how to work on cars, and today we're going to show you how to work on a hood shock for a 96 to 98 Acura TL. So let's get to it. For this, we're going to be using some pretty common household tools. First, we're going to be using a size 12 gear wrench, and after that we're going to be using a ratchet with a size 10 socket on there. The first thing I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to prop up your hood so that whenever you're working on your hood shock, it's not going to fall down on your head. And once you do that, you can go ahead and start working on the hood shock. And what we're going to do is there's two 10mm bolts right here, and we're going to go ahead and just take these off. And you're going to take your ratchet with the size 10 socket on there, and we're going to take these bolts off. If you don't have something to prop up your hood properly, once you take these bolts off, your hood's going to fall, and that's something that you don't want to happen. You could damage your hood, and more importantly, you could damage yourself. See, now it's coming off the hood, and once it comes off the hood, there's going to be a nut over here, and we're going to take our size 12 gear wrench and we're going to go ahead and start working at this. See, now it's come off, and you're going to go ahead and grab your replacement hood shock, and we're going to put this back in the same way it came out. So we're going to go ahead and start putting this end in first, and to put this on, you can go ahead and just finger tighten it first. And we can start tightening it with our size 12 gear wrench. Want to make sure it's in there good. Finally, we can put the top piece back on, and you want to make sure the holes line up with the threading. Where's my, oh. And now we can tighten it with our size 10 socket. Want to make sure this is on tight. And once you finish that, you just replace your hood shock. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.